It's your girl Alicia. Hey. Thank you for stopping here. Nice to see ya. Click and learn to beautify your features. You can be neater.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alicia, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. So in today's video, I'll be doing a sleek ponytail on my 4C hair, and to achieve this, you'll need a leave-in conditioner, some hair oil, as well as water, and your preferred gel. And this is the gel that I'll be using today. So the first thing I did is apply the leave-in conditioner, and then I went in with my hair oil, and then I went in with the water, and after that I went in with my gel. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot. And then I take my brush and I use my palm as well to smooth my hair down to get that sleek look. And this is what I pretty much do in section in its entirety. Now I'm just going to basically repeat the process so you guys can go ahead and continue watching the video, and I'll be back in a few when it's time to apply my ponytail. My camera was already recording, which is why the back of my head was already done, because my camera was recording and I didn't even realize that it wasn't recording. So this is why the video starts right here. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago, I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. I love the way this style turned out. I don't think I've ever gotten my ponytail this sleek before. But let me tell you, doing your hair in sections, it really helps to get that sleek look. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. So I was actually going for a center part today, so this is me right here, basically just defining my part. No more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
I did finish the rest of my hair off camera, and I'm gonna go in now with my got to be styling gel on top of my entire hair, and then take my tail comb and my palm and basically just smooth the hair. Then I went ahead after that and did my edges.
The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not.
I also know that earlier when I was basically slicking down my hair, you could have seen the white residue in my hair. That was basically from the leave-in conditioner. But by the time I tied down my hair for the entire night, by the next day, all that would be gone. So you guys don't have to worry about that if you are also planning on using the Cantu leave-in conditioner. Now, the last thing I did was I went in with the Got To Be Insta Hold to seal my entire hair in, especially those flyaways, because you know, natural hair always have flyaways. So I went in with my Got To Be as well. Then I went ahead and tied it down with my durang.
I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes, and ain't no one in life.
So this is actually the next day, and this is the hair that we'll be using today. So what I did is I used 1.5 pack, and then I got my scrunchie and looped my scrunchie to make a knot.
I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
So this is what my hair is looking like the next morning after I tied it down for the entire night. And I must say I love the way it turned out. It did came out really good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm basically going to take my ponytail and applied it upside down to the version of how I want it. So after that, what I did is I flipped it over, and then I proceeded to go ahead and fluff the hair out.
Way back a year ago. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on.
I took a piece of the hair and wrapped it around my bun to make it even more secure. Then I went in with my bobby pins. After that, I went ahead and fluffed the hair out to the way I wanted it to fall.
I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
And that is pretty much the style in a nutshell, and it came out really bomb. Like, I got so many compliments with this style. Like, I don't know, you know, black queen in the building, yeah. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Ollie. Go and big up yourself.